You'll miss the best things if you keep your eyes shut. Don't be afraid to keep your eyes open and take it all in. There is much to be seen, but if your eyes are closed, you'll miss it. In the story, Seuss says there are plenty of things to learn about, so he may be referring to the fact that there's so much in the world to discover, but many of us don't bother to learn about it. So it's the equivalent of going through life with your eyes shut. It could be a way of saying we need to rekindle the love of learning and start discovering the world like we did when we were children. You'll miss the best things if you keep your eyes shut.